Welcome back YouTube to another video on our YouTube channel. My name is Ben from Mind Capital, and today we are going to talk about Solana. It's been a long time since I last covered Solana here on our channel, and a lot of things changed since then. If you aren't subscribed to our website, you might have missed those updates, and I rarely cover specific altcoins here on our channel. But today I want to continue this tradition and talk about the wave movements, both long-term and short-term in Solana. And first, we are going to start with our one-day chart as always. And you might instantly notice what changed since my last video. We established another great wave 1-2 setup right here, which was very brutal, to be honest, because we declined a lot in this movement from $32. It was a 46% loss in a matter of a few weeks, so pretty tremendously, but I am optimistic because this is another wave 1-2 setup. And it's kind of surprising that Solana is one of the most bullish altcoins out there in the crypto space, because many altcoins are still very behind in terms of volume and bullish wave movements. And we formed two very big wave 1-2 setups in Solana. So I can't really think of another coin who has established or managed to do this. And we, as you might remember, we announced a long trade on our website back in June. I'm just going to show you this. This was posted on our personal blog on Mind Capital on June the 14th, where we bought a third position in Solana right here with the chart from back then. You might have missed this update if you aren't subscribed to our YouTube channel, so I can only recommend subscribing to our website. Of course, not every trade has been a winner this year, but I am very optimistic that the strength will come back into most altcoins, and especially in coins like Phantom and Chainlink. I'm going to talk about these on another day. So we are going to switch right back to sorry, this was Chainlink. We are going to switch back to Solana. Right now, we should be establishing some bullish movements down here, and my next target will be at $48. Why? Because that's the most optimal target for our wave 3 here at the 1.618 extension right here. You can see it right here. Of course, it's going to be questionable when this target will be reached or how, because the overall market is still lacking in strength, and we haven't managed to establish any more bullish movements in Bitcoin and Ethereum, at least for now. But I'm going to continue to hold my positions, so I am not worried at all. But beware, this is the next target, $48. We are all going to make a lot of money if this target will be hit. And afterwards, I'm just going to take the brush again. Afterwards, we are going to establish a wave 4, of course. I will expect that this will be a rather short wave. And after that, a wave 5, which should finally push us above $50 again. And after that, of course, another wave 4 and a wave 5. But caution. This is subject to great changes, if this is spelled correctly in English, because nobody knows how this next alt season will play out. It's possible that we will just establish these minor movements right here, or it's possible that we will establish a very big movement in altcoins in next February, March and April, which will instantly push us above $100 again. So this can change, of course. But I'm going to hold my positions, of course, and I'm going to update you about the specific movements right here. Just keep in mind, the next target is $48, and hopefully we can finally make it above the resistance here at $38.88. If we break above this line, the bull market is back 100%. Just to make this clear. I'm going to switch to the short-term chart very shortly because I want to explain some details right here. If you don't understand Elliot waves, you can listen if you want, but the big picture is more important, so this is only suited for traders or if you are interested in learning more about this. Currently, I estimate that this movement since the bottom right here was a wave 1 and a wave 2. And after that, we have experienced this huge increase to $25. And I estimate that this was our wave 3 because it topped out in this orange extension zone, the most optimal targets for a wave 3. And now we have been steadily declining in our wave 4. And I estimate that we should establish another wave 5, which should bring us to $27. And after that, of course, we are going to establish a minor wave 1-2 setup again, but that's a little bit far into the future. So I'm going to cover this if we are there. But there is a very important alternative which we need to talk about. Because you might have noticed this alternative wave 1, alternative wave 2. It's possible that this is a wave 1-2, of course, and this is another wave 1-2, of course. So 2 separate wave 1-2 setups. This is, of course, a very bullish message to the market, and we would certainly need this foundation right here to reach prices above $40 and $50 again. So it is a very likely alternative, and it can absolutely happen. So just make sure that this is very possible that we can reach prices of $21 or $20 again in the near future. This means in the next few days. But my expectation in the long term is still the same. We should be reaching higher prices in the upcoming weeks and months, finally. And last, I want to talk about the price targets in Solana, and I think I will do this in every video, but I think this is of such great importance that you guys should know about the price targets for the next bull run. As you can see, this was the last bull run in cycle wave 1, and this was the very brutal correction in wave 2, cycle wave 2. And I expect that we should establish another cycle wave 3 in the next bull market, and I expect that this will top out somewhere in November or December 2024. So it's a while until we reach these targets. But listen closely. For a wave 3, the minimum target is at 1.618 extension. This means the minimum target is at $428. And you heard me right, I'm not joking. I think I said the same about Ethereum in the last bull run, when Ethereum was like trading around $400. Back then I didn't have a YouTube channel, I only covered this on TradingView. I said the same exact thing about Ethereum, and it happened. Nobody believed this could happen back then in Ethereum, but it did. And if it could happen in Solana again, then we are all going to make a lot of money, and certainly a lot of my subscribers will get rich. So don't underestimate Solana. I won't sell any position in Solana. I have 3 separate positions in Solana before this target is reached. So keep this in mind. If you have questions about this, please leave them in the comments. I will answer them as always. And this is already the end of the video. I hope you guys could understand what I just said. And yeah, I would be very happy if I could welcome everyone on our website as a new subscriber. Greetings from Switzerland, and have a good day and have a good week. Goodbye.